In 2021, the weather forecast for Texarkana, Texas was cloudy, with a chance of fish. This is not a tall tale, it is a documented fact. On December 29th, residents of this Texas town watched as small silver fish began to fall from the sky, landing in their gardens and on their streets. The city of Texarkana even posted about it on their official Facebook page. For centuries, stories like this were dismissed as folklore, the stuff of myth and biblical plagues. Rains of frogs, showers of spiders, deluges of worms. But as the Texarkana event proves, this is a real, documented and utterly bizarre natural phenomenon. The riddle isn't just how it can happen. The deeper, more compelling riddle is, does the official explanation account for all of the strange, inconvenient facts? This is where the relic hunt becomes a meteorological investigation. For most of these strange events, science has a prime suspect, the tornadic waterspout. The explanation is both violent and elegantly simple. Imagine a powerful tornado forming over a lake or a shallow stretch of ocean. It becomes a waterspout, a natural, chaotic vacuum cleaner. As it churns the water, it is powerful enough to suck up not just water, but anything small and lightweight living within it. Small fish, frogs, jellyfish, snails. The storm then acts as a transport system. It carries these creatures for miles high up in the clouds. Eventually, as the storm loses energy, its powerful updraft weakens, and it releases its bizarre cargo, dropping it onto an unsuspecting town miles away from the original source. It is a brilliant logical explanation that accounts for many of the reported cases. It is, for all intents and purposes, case closed, except perhaps it isn't. This is where a simple weather report becomes a true relic riddle, because when you dig into the historical case files, you find reports that are far stranger and far more difficult to explain than a simple waterspout. Let's open the file on the unexplained cases. Exhibit A, the case of the specific species. In 1948 in Singapore, a rain of fish was reported. But witnesses on the ground noted that it was only one specific type of fish, a species of perch. The pond they likely came from contained other species, yet the storm had apparently been a selective fisherman. How does a mindless vortex cherry-pick its victims? Exhibit B, the case of the missing water. In 1873, a science journal reported a shower of frogs over Kansas City. The problem? The report noted that the sky was clear, and there were no significant bodies of water anywhere nearby from which a waterspout could have formed. And Exhibit C, the impossible cargo. Waterspouts explain aquatic life, but what about the documented cases of non-aquatic animals? Reports from the 19th century detail rains of earthworms in Sweden. And in 1976, a confirmed shower of spiders fell on a town in Argentina. How does a waterspout which forms over water pick up a cargo of land-based creatures? The waterspout theory is, without a doubt, the correct explanation for many of these events, including the recent fish rain in Texas. But history has left us with a file of outliers, a collection of strange, inconvenient reports that don't quite fit. These are the cases that remind us that even a phenomenon we think we understand can still hold its secrets. They are a testament to the fact that the world is a profoundly strange place, and that sometimes when the clouds gather, you might need more than just an umbrella. The raining animals phenomenon is a perfect blend of scientific fact and lingering mystery. Which of the unexplained cases do you find the most baffling? The selective fish, the clear sky frogs, or the raining spiders? Let us know in the comments below. If you believe that even the strangest stories deserve a serious investigation, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Relic Riddles. Thanks for joining the Relic Hunt. We'll see you on the next one.